At the end of the last episode, I made it to Denver, Colorado. I spent a few days getting some work done in Denver and then began the short drive up to Grand Junction. The drive up was incredibly pretty, and I took my time stopping to see some of the awesome scenery Colorado has to offer. Grand Junction is the home of the Colorado National Monument, some amazing camping, and a short drive from many incredible hiking and mountain bike trails. I got to Saddlehorn Campground just before sundown, set up camp, and made a quick dinner. Dinner is done. It was awesome. I think we're going to spend some time wandering around and checking this place out. I spent the next few hours wandering around the campgrounds, shooting some photos, and relaxing under the beautiful night sky before returning to camp. I settled in for the night, took in the incredible view from inside my tent, and got ready for a mountain bike adventure the next day. Hello and good morning, friends. We are heading down the mountain. We're leaving the campsite for now. Tent is all packed up. I am going to rent a bike now. Today is just gonna be getting out and seeing Colorado and riding a little bit. We are all geared up, got our bike. Let's hit this trail. What is up, guys? I am about, I'd say, halfway through this ride. I'm at about 5 miles right now, and it looks like we're looping back around to where we started. I'm sitting over here in the shade, trying to keep cool for a few minutes, recharge, and then keep going. But yeah, in the meantime, take a look at this scenery. Just stunning, and riding out here is unreal. Incredible. Woo! We're gonna try that one again.
Much better. I think that's gonna do it for our little bike ride today. We've knocked out 10 miles, all up and around. Gonna head, get some food, go to camp, relax for the day. If you'd like to continue receiving great content like this, make sure you subscribe here on YouTube, as well as follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you all so much for watching.